All right, here we go. This is 3783 Bowman Chrome Baseball. 378 Tree. Fab Joe 1, Devel 1, Guest 3, Tonet 1, Riflo 1, Sincab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gus, that was the one I owe you. Newbie 1, Charles 1, Alex Craft 1, Chief Keef 2, Nate 5, Jed 2, Nate with 3 more. Alright, 5 times for 5 times, guys. Here we go. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Riflo, you're on top. Cal on you on the bottom. Good. Alright, Kraft, Reds, Charles, Jays, Dav, Nationals, Fab Joe, Astros, Gus, Red Sox, Cubs, Dodgers, Mets, Jed, Indians, Athletics, Chief Keef, Royals, Marlins, Nate, Orioles, Rockies, Angels, Brewers, Yankees, Cardinals, Rays, Rangers, Newbie, Padres, Riflo, Diamondbacks, Sincab, Braves, White Sox, Tigers, Twins, Phillies, Pirates, Mariners, Tonat with the Giants. Bob, what'd you get? One premier player. Oh, premier players. I got you. Alright, so premium pack, premier players division's working. And there's 16 left in the full size football. Okay. Premium packs or bonus breaks, I'll let you know on Facebook when we do them. John, what's up, man? Alright, premium packs done. I got 4 divisions left in premier players basketball cards. No trades on Bowman Chrome, guys. No trades, no trades. I have 16 left on a full size football. No trades, no trades. Luis. Oh, there it is. Here we go. You guys want box 1, 2, or 3? 1, 2, or 3? 1, 2, or 3? Alright, number 1 it is. Alright guys, good luck to everybody. Good luck, good luck, good luck. All right, first card for the Yankees. First year, first card. It is a Yandres Gomez for the Yanks. For the Yankees. For the Yankees. That will go to Nate. Mysteries behind the phone. All right, for the Phillies, Eric Miller. Eric Miller out of 150. Eric Miller on card auto out of 150. Last but not least, first year Christian Koss. Christian Koss, first year Bowman. For the Rockies. All right, Christian Koss. Christian Koss on card. Miller, Blue Wave out of 150. And Gomez on card, on card. Very nice, guys. Nice looking cards there. All right, good stuff, good stuff. You got the better luck on that Topps Finest, I think. I think that's what you're hitting on. All right, Colorado Rockies, Nate Maxon. All right, Nate, there you go. Philadelphia Phillies, Senecab. Senecab. New York Yankees, Nate as well. Okay. All right, good stuff there, guys. Congratulations. Kind of one of the two foam inserts. I'll send you a foam insert and some kid reporters. Five times for 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice. All right, once, twice. 3 times, 4 times. 5 times, and Davkel. All right, free spot for you, 37.83. $37.83. All right, 3783. Bowman Chrome. All right, guys, good stuff, good stuff. Up next, we have 16 left. Premium packs done, and then we have 16 left in the football and 4 divisions left in Premier Players NBA. All right, guys, appreciate it. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break, guys. Thank you, thank you.